Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And to get started, you will want to hold the power key and from there select power off in order to, well, shut off the device. And once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both the keys at the same time. So let's hold them right now. And you want to hold them basically till you see the UMIDIGI logo on the screen. There we go. So let go of the keys right now and wait for the Android with no command to show up on the screen. There we go. So to get past this, simply hold power key and press volume up once, and we should be then in the recovery mode. And in here, using volume keys to navigate, we will need to select wipe cache partition. Whoops, I missed it. There we go. Wipe cache partition, and then press power key to confirm that. Again, we need to select yes and power key, and there we go. As you can see, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default. So again, press power key once more, and this will take us back to the Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.